The LG V20 you see here, and today in the video, the Samsung Galaxy A20 for Virgin Mobile. So the Galaxy A20 is not at Virgin Mobile, it's $229.99, but it is currently out of stock. So there you go. This is a budget phone from Samsung, the Galaxy A series. Nice looking phone, pretty good specs for what it is. This is a slight bump over the A10e that they got last week. So the Galaxy A20 is right there. It has a teardrop notch right there. It has a wallpaper, which is very nice. Power button on the right side. Your brand button is also on the right side as well. There's right side your power button and the brand button right there on the right. Now on the back of the Galaxy A20, the eyes have dual cameras on back, camera flash, fingerprint sensor, and Samsung logo, and it's available in black here. Your SIM tray is on the black side of the phone, so you keep it in mind. So how it works, of course, is order your phone today. Wait for your phone number, pick in the contract plan, keep your number or get in your phone number, and it's simple, but it's that. And y'all guys need to know this as well, so it's limit one phone per customer. Promotional pricing available only for select phones directly from RismoUSA.com. Limited time offer while supplies last, so do keep the same in mind. So step up to the phone you've been waiting for with the Samsung Galaxy A20. Keep calling, emailing, and texting with the long-lasting battery and power backup quickly with fast charging, which is a win. Keep more thanks to 32 GB of built-in storage and capture the moment with dual lens cameras. Then view it all on a vibrant 6.4-inch edge-to-edge infinity display. Finally, a phone that fits you and your budget. Alright, so that's pretty cool. Also, just have fast charging on there. It's also really easy to have. Key features of the Galaxy A20, you guys know that it has a 6.4-inch display. It's Infinity display, HD Plus. That is 720 by 1560 pixels, super AMOLED. 4,000 mAh battery, which is a win. USB-C, of course. 3 GB of RAM. 32 GB of RAM with support of microSD card expansion up to 512 GB of microSD card expansion. It has a Lesson plus whatever. It has an octa-core processor. It is an Exynos 13 megapixel wide angle rear camera with LED flash, and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. It also has Android 9.8 Pie with Samsung One UI on top of that. Alright. Specs on the Galaxy A20. This is a budget phone, but the specs are pretty good in my opinion. So the weight of the Galaxy A20 is 5.93 ounces, 31 ounces of talk time. Octa-core processor, Android 9.8 Pie with Samsung One UI, 6.4-inch HD Plus Infinity display. That is 720 by 1560 pixels. Your dimensions of the Galaxy A20 is 6.13 inches height, 1.58 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. So there you have it. Also Bluetooth 5.0, 4,000 mAh battery. The battery is not removable, so do keep it in mind. It also has fast charging as well, so that is a plus. What comes in the box is nothing special. You guys get the Galaxy A20, USB-C cable, charger, and point information booklet, and SIM card installed. So no headphones or anything like that. So nothing special there. If you guys need help with your Galaxy A20, visit my website to help with that. So want to know everything there is to know about this phone. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all your managing all your gaming applications, and click on that until you get best support for this phone. So if you guys need to learn how to set up email, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, the basic part can have it. You can have it with that. So check it out if you guys need help. If you guys want furniture insurance, I recommend you guys get furniture insurance. Whether you're a drop prone or just want a peace of mind, you can protect your new phone from damage, loss, or theft for just $7 a month. Pre-loved or certified pre-loved phones are not eligible for insurance, so do keep it in mind. And you also get a 100% money back guarantee, of course. We are sure you'll love your new, I don't know what's his iPhone, but it says, but just in case, feel free to send it back right away within 7 days of purchasing. So, if you guys, whatever, don't like to find y'all guys can send it back to Virgin Mobile within 7 days, and y'all guys will get your money back. So, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy A20 is now at Virgin Mobile. It's $229.99. It's currently out of stock, so hopefully they'll get it in stock soon. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys listen to my lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll let you guys in the next one. Peace out.